Imagine a warm summer night where the stars above are not the only light sources. In the darkness, something enchanting happens. Small creatures start making their own special kind of light. It's like they're putting on a magical show with their glow. Meet the firefly, a remarkable beetle known for its enchanting glow. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs. They belong to the Lampyridae family. There are over 2,000 species of fireflies, each with their own unique flashing patterns. They can be found in various habitats, from forests to grasslands all around the world. The most dramatic aspect of their biology is that they can produce light. But it's not just a story or a mystery. Really, it's all just biochemistry. This light is the result of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a spectacular phenomenon in which living organisms produce and emit light. This light emission is the result of a chemical reaction occurring within the organisms. It's often seen in various marine creatures, insects, fungi, and even some more microorganisms. Bioluminescence is a cold light. It does not produce any heat. The two main components are needed for bioluminescence. Luciferin. It is a light-emitting molecule, sort of like a tiny chemical light bulb. Luciferase. It is an enzyme, which is a special kind of protein that acts as a catalyst in a chemical reaction. How do fireflies glow? Fireflies have unique features in their body called the abdomen. Inside the abdomen, there are cells known as photocytes, sometimes referred to as lightning cells. These cells are responsible for producing this glow. Within these photocytes, there are two important substances, luciferin and luciferase. When a firefly wants to light up, it pushes oxygen into photocytes. This oxygen, luciferin, and luciferase combine with two other chemicals, magnesium ion and ATP, and produce light. Let's understand the complete mechanism. When luciferin combines with ATP in the presence of luciferase, it liberates inorganic phosphate and forms a luciferyl adenylate intermediate. On reaction with oxygen, this intermediate converts into peroxide form. The release of AMP leads to the formation of a dioxetinone intermediate, which decarboxylates to produce oxyluciferin in an excited state. When oxyluciferin comes back to the ground state, it produces light. Thus, fireflies generally have special cells called photocytes in the abdomen, where a chemical reaction involving luciferin, oxygen, and luciferase with magnesium ion and ATP takes place. This reaction results in the emission of cold light. Fireflies gave 100% of energy as light only, but in a standard bulb, only 10% of energy is light and 90% is given off as heat. There are many more organisms that show bioluminescence. Examples of some of them are bitter oyster, Equoria victoria, and anglerfish. Scientists have reproduced this reaction in glow sticks. These sticks typically consist of diphenyl oxalate, a dye, and hydrogen peroxide. When you snap the stick, the chemicals mix, resulting in an exergonic reaction. This reaction results in the emission of light.